And we are rolling. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Walk with Moshe. Thanks for joining me. It is Wednesday, the 1st of December. Happy December, everyone. We are at downtown Souk Al Manzil. It's a little complex right next to downtown Dubai Mall. I just finished my workout, so thought might as well just take a video of this place. Just going out for a walk. More like a second workout. It's got a couple of English pubs over here. It's got a fitness first, like a gym, and a couple of coffee shops. A pretty neat, small, high-end complex. Not really a shopping mall. Just heading out towards downtown Dubai. Here we are, and as you can see, the Burj Khalifa up ahead. Oh look, they've got these e-bikes over here as well. All right. Couple of, not really a couple, but a lot of high-end restaurants over here. They've got CZN Barak, and up ahead towards the far left you can see the Address Hotel. Tomorrow is the UAE's National Day, so prepare to get really crowded over here, especially areas next to the Dubai Mall and downtown Dubai. Burj Khalifa. It's got a pretty awesome set of LEDs on it. Every moment you see a different theme, not a theme, sorry, losing my vocabulary. Just waiting for the pedestrian sign to turn on, to turn green. I want to take you guys to the souk. All right, let's go. It's a little tramway. It's not really a tram, but all right, gotta hurry up a bit, because it's gonna turn red now. And right up ahead you would see Souk Al Bahar. Souk Al Bahar. And behind it is the awesome Burj Khalifa, the tallest tower in the world. feeling pretty tired after the workout, so sorry if I'm out of breath. This GoPro camera picks up a lot of noise, voice. Even if I breathe, it picks it up. Nice little decorative lake. It's not even a lake, it's like a little waterway. Taking a look around. And onwards with the walk. Oh wow, look, they've got the flag of the UAE. If you guys can see it before it goes away. There it is. Oh wow, it's beautiful. They've got an authentic Arabian eatery over here on the right side. And oh wow. Happy UAE National Day, everyone, in advance. That is so cool. Burj Khalifa in all its glory. That's a waterway that leads to Dubai Mall, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. A lot of steps. And today was leg day, so it was a lot of more steps. There it is, that's the base of Burj Khalifa. Security is also a bit uptight nowadays because it's holidays. I guess today is a flag day if I'm not mistaken. This kind of reminds me of Madinah Jumeirah. The style, the architecture. I guess this is opened up way after Madinah Jumeirah. Wow, this place is packed with tourists. It is crowded. I hope I don't mess up the filming. And this is where we get to see the Dubai fountain in action. Take you for a little tour and head back. Man, it tends to get super crowded over here, especially at this time of the night, of the evening, and so that was a sneak tour. I'll be doing the downtown Dubai walk in my next video or my later videos. It's a bit too crowded tonight, so I'll come later and get a better detailed walk at downtown Dubai next to Dubai Mall. the lake and the fountain.
J'étais là il y a 10 minutes, mais je vais régulièrement demander aux darons de...
Sorry if I'm not talking much. I am way too tired to be filming. And the crowd, it's very disorienting, so just trying to keep up with holding the gimbal and the camera. Going up the escalator. Let's check out what's upstairs. Oh, they got a Starbucks right there. And we are back out. This is probably the least crowded area of this area. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, a little walkthrough. Thought I took the opportunity to show you guys the Souk Al Bahar and the Souk Al Manzil. Time to go for a grab a quick bite because I am starving, you guys. And please do check out the affiliate links that I've set up, and a like and a subscribe would be super duper appreciated, guys. Thank you, and bye bye.